Most Zimbabweans are already struggling to put food on the table. These women are grateful for any kind of assistance. Years of drought, rising inflation, and now coronavirus have seen food prices soar. Several families are now eating less. Many say they know not much will change until lockdown restrictions are eased or scrapped in early May.
We know the virus is killing people, so we are waiting for that 2 weeks. And we are not doctors, we are not nurses, we are not whatever. So we are waiting for what? We're waiting for that 2 weeks to get finished. After it's finished, we will see what is going to happen next.
The World Food Programme says half of Zimbabwe's population needs food aid. A poverty assessment done by the government and aid agencies last year found nearly 80% of families in urban areas are hungry. Local milling companies tried to cope with what's available. The pandemic has made it difficult to buy more grain from abroad.
Some of these countries are on lockdown. It's not an export ban, but what it's simply done is that the infrastructure, the whole system of exporting is now ceased to operate. Also, some of the ships that are bringing consignment this side are now subjected to quarantine every station they arrive. So this has slowed down the importation of grain.
1 meter,
Families in rural areas are also struggling. The rains have been erratic. Many haven't managed to grow much food. Now the global health crisis is making more families here vulnerable. Priority is given to the sick and the elderly, and even here people are being encouraged to practice social distancing, but masks and gloves and hand sanitizers are in short supply, and that's the case all over the country. Zimbabwe's unofficial unemployment rate is more than 80%. Most people live hand to mouth. The government says vulnerable households will receive cash transfers over the next 3 months. That's less than $10 per person every month. Businesses have been told by the state not to increase the prices of basic commodities. But in previous years, whenever an official price freeze was imposed, it led to panic buying, shortages, and even more frustration. Haru Matasa, Al Jazeera, Zimbabwe.